Okay, in this question, there are two things we don't know: how much Ben is paid and how much Kerry is paid. So I've got to set up my equations, and because there's two things I need to find, it's going to be two simultaneous equations. If I use Ben and C to stand for Ben and Kerry, we know that we're almost an ice cream firm. So we've got 6B plus 5C is equal to 116. 4B plus 8C is equal to 138. Okay, our method to solve these then is to take the number in front of this and crisscross it over as a multiply. So I'm going to take all the top equation and times it by 6. So it's 24B plus 20C is equal to that times that is 464. Then I'm going to take all the bottom one and times it by 6. So it's 24B plus 48C is equal to, well, that times that. Okay, that number of course is 828, not 804. Once I've done that, and I've got my first letter the same, I'm going to change the sign of, I tend to do the bottom equation, but I'm noticing that all the numbers are bigger on the bottom one than the top one. So let's write it out the other way round. 24B plus 48C is equal to 828, and 24B plus 20C is equal to 464. I'm going to change all of these signs on the bottom. It's nicely sorted out in columns, so I can do 24B minus 24B. Well, that's nothing, that's why I'm doing it. 48C minus 20C is 28C, and then I got 828 take away 464, and that's equal to 364. Remember, there was an invisible plus in front of these numbers, so I've changed it to a minus. Finally then, to work out C, I'm going to do 364. The 28 moves over as a divide. So C is 364 divided by 28, which means the C Kerry's pay is £13. Okay, once I know that Kerry's paid £13 an hour, I've actually got 4 choices of equation to go back to. Right, so let's go back to that very top one. Right, so I know the 6B plus 5 lots of C. Well, we know the C is 13, so it's 5 lots of 13, right, is equal to 116. I then just tidy this up and go 6B plus 65 is equal to 116. Right, 6B then is equal to 116 take away 65, which is 51. So the final, finish it off, 51 divided by 6 is equal to £8.50. So Ben is paid £8.50 and Kerry is paid £13. Okay, so just move that up so you can see it, and there's my answer written in.